Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, we are going to discuss about latest job openings in Tirunelveli location. Let us see what are the job openings available. We will discuss one by one in detail. Please like our videos guys. It will encourage us to do more videos for Tirunelveli job openings. Attention please, do not pay money for any kind of job. I just wanted to describe this image. You should have an idea about what kind of career you are choosing, what the kind of field you wanted to enter, what type of industry you wanted to enter. Should have a clear idea so that you can get a proper planning and you can get an idea how to crack that particular field interviews or anything you wanted to prepare. So you should have a clear idea. It is very important first step to achieve in a career. And then if you got an idea what type of field, what type of technology, what type of company or industry you wanted to enter, then you can start a planning how to enter it. You have to plan it properly, either joining the institute or learning some courses online, whatever, up to whatever flexibility you have to plan according to achieve that particular goal, whatever you have put to enter into an industry or to get a job in a particular field. So you have to plan properly, and you should set a strategy. How many months, how many days? We can't sit idle for days. Days will pass, months will pass, years also will pass. So we can't stick to a we can't wait idle. We can't sit idle for many days, right? So we have to put a strategy. How many days? Within how many days I have to crack that? Within how many months I should complete this, and I should get a particular. I should get into a particular field or particular job. So this is the strategy you should have in your mind. Then finally you will get a success automatically. So please be aware of your career guys. You should have clear idea, plan it, and have a clear strategy. It will lead to success. There is a job openings for Healing Hands Physiotherapy Center. They are looking for physiotherapy assistant. Salary offered up to 25,000 a month. There is a detailed information, duty and roles and responsibilities given here. Working with patients with a variety of conditions, sometimes over a period of weeks or months, diagnosing, assessing and treating problems, and you should encourage exercise and movement. You should advise patients on leading a healthy lifestyle, and you should keep reports on patients on their progress. So like this, there is a detailed roles and responsibility, the information provided here. You can go through it. So, as a physiotherapist, you need to treat a wide range of people, including children, sports people, and the elderly. Like this, there is a detailed information available. You can go through it once. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9629285555. Next, there is a job vacancy for typist and data entry operator for the organization Anai Velankani Multi-Specialty Hospital, and salary offered minimum 8,000 to up to 10,000 a month. Job location provided here, you can check with that. Salary is negotiable, and you can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 8072043167. Next, there is a job vacancy for cashier position for the organization Anai Velankane Multi-Specialty Hospital. Salary offered minimum 9,000 to up to 11,000 a month. If we go through the responsibilities and duties, we can see you should manage all the cash transactions in their workplace, and you should maintain daily account of the daily transactions. You should balance the daily account at the end of each day. You should check the daily cash balance, and you should interact with the customers that come to the counter. You should solve all their cash related queries. You should check for the price of projects and any discounts or offers. You should receive coupons and deducting the said amount from the customers. You should organize all the work they do and maintain the accounting records. You should report discrepancies if they find the accounts to their superiors. You should make daily, weekly, and monthly transaction reports. So these are all the Roles and responsibilities of the position cashier. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 80720 Next, there is a job vacancy for operation theatre in charge for the organization Annai Velankarni Multi-Specialty Hospital. Salary offered minimum 20,000 to up to 25,000 a month. You can see here, while receiving a patient check, any jewels such as earring, nose ring, or toy ring, bangle, and you should receive patient without all the above mentioned items. Like this, there is a information about description, job responsibilities. There will be few more responsibilities. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 80720 Next, there is a job opening for operation theatre technician for the same organization, Annai Velankarni Multi-Specialty Hospital. Salary offered minimum 10,000 to up to 15,000 a month. If we go through the roles and responsibilities, you should maintain and keep the operating room and ensure everything is running smoothly before the conduct of surgery. You should cleanse and disinfect surgical instruments and our equipment after surgeries. You should prepare a surgical instrument and equipment for autoclaving and sterilization per protocol. You should maintain and keep all surgical tools sterile and orderly, and you should maintain and keep all equipment clean and functional. You should maintain adequate necessary supplies in the operating room. So these are all the roles and responsibilities for the job role operation theatre technician. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 8072043167. Next, there is a vacancy for finance executive for the organization Annai Velankarni Multi-Specialty Hospital. Salary offered minimum 10,000 to up to 15,000 a month. Roles and responsibilities if we see, you should make journal or ledger entries, and you should prepare of monthly specialty wise profitability reports, and as when required from time to time by the unit management and group corporate. You should assist with tax preparation, audits, and identify and resolve discrepancies, and you should act as a point of contact between internal departments and accounting, serving as a liaison between accounting and external parties, including clients, suppliers, and lenders. You should use bookkeeping software and entering information into company files or databases. You should ensure that all financial records are complete and accurate. You should ensure that the company bills are paid and debts are collected. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 80720 Next, there is a job vacancy for sales coordinator for the organization NS Infotech Private Limited. Salary offered minimum 10,000 to up to 12,000 a month. So you should have experience in telecalling or telemarketing. That will be added advantage. And this is only for female candidates. Only female candidates are eligible for this job role. If you are interested, you can share your resume at the provided email ID. They will get back to you after reviewing your resume. This is the email ID tirunelveli@yennes.com. Next, there is a job vacancy for sales coordinator telecalling for the same organization ends. Salary offered minimum 10,000 to up to 12,000 a month. You should have a good experience in telecalling or telemarketing. That will be added advantage. And this is only for female candidates. Only female candidates are eligible for this job role. If you are interested, you can share your resume at the provided email ID. If they will review your resume and they will get back to you. Email ID is tirunelveli@yennes.com. Next, there is a job vacancy for Dreams Biomedical Solutions. They are looking for sales executive position. Salary offered minimum 7,000 to up to 10,000 a month. And there will be a monthly target as well for this job role. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9688648778, and they will also offer the incentives as well along with the salary. So you can check with the company on the given phone number for more information. Next, there is a job vacancy for faculty member for CAD Center, Onalpeta, Tirunelveli. So your salary offered is up to 8,000 a month initially as a fresher, and they are looking for mechanical, civil departments in CAD Center. It is a franchise. Freshers are also, I think, eligible for the job role. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9042014416, and you can see here good knowledge for softwares for mechanical and civil oriented. Next, there is a job vacancy for support executive tally for organization NS. And you should have a good knowledge of Tally, and you should be from accounts background. Your education should be from accounts. It is not a accounting job. You have to meet the customers directly. This is a note you can see. And only male candidates are eligible for this job role. And you should have a two-wheeler as well. That is mandatory. You can share your resume at the provided email ID. Your resume will be reviewed, and if you are okay, we'll be getting back to you. And email ID is tirunelveli@yenns.com. Next, there is a job vacancies for marketing executive for the organization Study Guru Education. Salary offered minimum 10,000 a month. The nature of your job is to promote and market their online courses. Should have a basic knowledge to use computer and Android mobiles. It is on the target applicable. They will also give a good incentives along with salary, and alliances will be there. Commission with salary will be offered for you. Age limit is should be below 30 years. Preferred location, there are many locations, you can go through it. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 8870563760. Next, there is a job openings for Central Institute for Cotton Research. There is a direct walk-in interview for the selection of temporary position of young professional 1 and 2 on 1st and 2nd February 2021. For more details, you can visit the official website of Central Institute for Cotton Research. This is www.cicr.org.in. For more details, you can browse the provided website address, and there will be a walk-in interview on 1st and 2nd February 2021. This is the address details. You can check with that. The organization address is available. You can check with that. Next, there is a job openings for ACS EN Techs. They are looking for various positions like trainee technician. Qualification is BE or diploma, any stream, and BSc maths and other maths major subjects with no errors. And both male and female candidates are eligible for this job role. Job location will be Attur, Salem. Freshers are eligible, and up to 3 years of any field experience will be considered. And age limit is below 26 years. The age should be below 26 years. So the job location will be Salem. Yeah, check with this. And there is one more job opening, graduate trainee. Qualification is any graduation. Both male and female candidates are eligible for this job role. Job location will be same. It is located in Attur, Salem. And freshers are eligible for this job role, and up to 3 years of experience any field is considered. and age limit is below 26 years. And there is also offering free accommodation and food from the organization itself. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 7810098783, and you can share your resume at the provided email ID hr@acsentex.com. So you can share your resume and you can contact on the given phone number for further information, and there will be a competitive salary offered and awesome benefits from the organization. This is one of the great organization to work with it. You can contact on the given phone number for further details and get to know detailed information. That's it in this video, guys. I'll be coming up with more updated job openings for Tinelville location as soon as possible. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to encourage me to do more videos for Tinelville location. And please like our videos. It will encourage us to do more videos and to give you more information. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Have a great day.